Hey, have you heard about the latest advancements in artificial intelligence? I've been hearing a lot about how AI is going to replace teachers in the near future.
I have, but I don't think that's going to happen. I may be advanced, but it can never replace the human touch that a teacher brings to a classroom.
But think about it, with AI, we can create personalized learning experiences for each student. The technology can assess a student's abilities and provide them with customized lessons that cater to their learning style.
While that may be true, I think the role of a teacher goes beyond just providing lessons. Teachers provide mentorship, support, and encouragement to their students. They act as role models and help their students develop social skills, which is something I can't do.
Okay, I see your point, but what about the cost savings that AI can provide? With AI, schools can save money on salaries and benefits for teachers and invest that money in other areas, such as technology and infrastructure.
That may be true, but the quality of education may suffer as a result. Teachers are trained professionals who know how to impart knowledge effectively, manage classroom behavior, and provide emotional support to their students. Without teachers, students may not receive the same level of education and support that they need to succeed.
I hadn't thought of it that way. I see now that while AI may have its advantages, it can never replace the human touch and expertise that teachers bring to the table.
Exactly. I may be a useful tool to assist teachers, but it can never replace them. Teachers are irreplaceable in their ability to inspire and motivate students, and that's something that AI can never replicate.
Thank you so much for watching the making of this video.
Subscribe for more great content. Goodbye.